thanks for tuning into my Bollywood Body. मैं आपका host Sunny with Ritik भाई, half naked, half pajama. Pajama मिला देना सी. No, bro, don't. People watch it all the time. Let's get ripped. Our new brand new series, 10 workouts. That's all you need, guys. Thank you very much for your support. 7.5 lakh subscriber when we're posting this video, and a lot of support because a lot of people are saying कि आपने ladies के लिए a fat loss workout at home, guys के लिए different video, लेकिन we want to get ripped, we want to get shredded, we want to see our abs. So हमें कोई ऐसे workout बताएं that we can do it. We have a lot of series going on, intermediate, beginner series, weight training के लिए. That will help you build muscle tone. But you know what? You want to get rid of that excess fat. आप fat उड़ाना चाहते हैं? Let's start. Day 1, stretch कर लें. You know our stretching, the basic drill. We have 3-4 different videos. Get going. These are the 10 workouts. This is a 10-day series. These are the 10 workouts you need. Over and over, keep repeating day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, all the way up to day 10. And believe me, by the time, unless you see your abs, washboard abs, do not stop and keep going all these 10 days. Keep repeating it. Starting with the day 1, पहली exercise, stretching के बाद, Ritik भाई हमने करने हैं 4 set 50 high knees. Let's go. Inhale through nose, exhale through mouth. नाक से सांस अंदर, मुंह से सांस बाहर, हाथ इधर रखें, and touch it, tap. Inhale through nose, exhale through mouth. Focus on your breathing. आप ज़्यादा ताकि आपकी वकिया ना चढ़े, नहीं तो otherwise what's going to happen is you're going to sit down like this कि मेरे पेट में दर्द है. That's about it. 50 high knees. That's it. 50 high knees. 30-second break. 50 high knees. 30-second break. 4 set पूरे लगाएं. Then take about a minute break. Recovered. पानी की चुस्की लें. Moving on to your second exercise. Second exercise. Ritik bhai, turn this way, sideways. Turn sideways. Yes. Let's go. हमने 4 set 12 push-up burpees के. Awesome job. Nice and slow. Come on, maintain your speed. Let's go. Push-up, jump up, relax. Do it again. Push-up, jump forward, jump up. Then do it again. Push-up, jump forward, jump up. 12 repetitions, 30-second break. 12 repetitions, 30-second break. 4 set इसके भी बनाने हैं. This is going to take your heart rate right through the ceiling. You'll actually feel it. हाँ यार मेरा सांस चढ़ रहा है. I know my heart rate is up. मेरा ऐसे कहते हैं दिल मुंह से बाहर निकल रहा है. That's exactly what's going to happen to you. 4 set 12 push-up burpees के 30-second break is very important. Do not अब्बा बन के लंबी ब्रेक लेने लग जाओ. Do not do it. Keep a break minimal ताकि आपका heart rate जो है वो maintain रखें between 150 to 165, 70 beats. 4 set 12 के लगा लिए. Take a longer break. Moving on to your next exercise. Ritik bhai, I want you to do 4 sets of 15 squat jumps and 30-second plank. 1, 2, 3, 13, 14, and 15. Turn around, become a plank and stay plank. That's it. आपने 15 squat jumps, 30-second plank. Back straight, पैर बिल्कुल straight. बट नीचे नहीं गिराना, बट ऊपर नहीं उठाना, इधर ही रखना और पेट को टाइट करो. ज्यादा पेट को टाइट करो. Rush blood and oxygen into your stomach. Inhale through nose, exhale through mouth. Squeeze your abdominal wall. Engage your core, engage your abdominal muscles. Take a break. आपने क्या किया? 15 squat jumps, 30-second plank. 15 squat jumps, 30-second plank. 15 squat jumps, 30-second plank. 4 set. There is no break. Squat jump is the workout, plank is your break. Squat jump is the workout, plank is your break. You're gonna finish off the 4. You can see it as compared to हमारी जो ladies वाली series है वो जरा basic है. This is very advanced moves. So you're gonna make sure कि day 1 gym में जाके आज तक कभी workout नहीं किया. Do not start with these. हमारी जो fat loss workout to do at home है उसको start करें. Condition yourself. Then get into it. और अगर 5-6 महीने जिम जा रहे हैं, कार्डियो करते हैं, वेट ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, then get into इस किस्म के पंगे. आप खुद पढ़ा ना लेना कुछ, आपको पता है क्या हम कह रहे हैं. So moving on, जी अब आपने इसके 4 सेट लगाने हैं. Now we're going to move on to your next exercise. Lay down on the ground. आपने करने हैं हर चीज के हम नॉर्मली 4 सेट ही रख रहे हैं. अगर हम ऊपर नीचे करेंगे तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा. 25 curl-ups. उसके बाद 25 lateral raises. Curl-ups is आपके हाथ इधर जाने चाहिए, nice and slow. Squeeze. ऊपर जाना है ना मुंह से करके. इस तरह सांस निकालेंगे के बेशक मुंह से थूके बाहर निकलने लग जाए. Here you go. और कुब नहीं निकालना. अगर कुब निकालेंगे ना, you are arching your back. That's where you know your disc bulge, herniated disc की प्रॉब्लम शुरू होती है. ऊपर जाएंगे, कोर के ऊपर प्रेशर के 25. ऋतिक भाई खड़े हो जाए. Here you go. 25 lateral raises. Here you go. Nice. Come on. Maintain your speed. 2. So 25 curl-ups, 25 side or lateral raises. 25 curl-ups, 25 lateral raises. 4 set. There is no break in between. Wherever there is a break, I am going to tell you. जहाँ पे भी break है मैं आपको खुद बताऊंगा यहाँ पे आप break लें. मुझे break लेंगे तो मैं डोले की वैसे पप्पी कर ली. Boom. So 25 curl-ups, 25 lateral raises. 25 curl-ups, 25 lateral raises. 4 set. No break. Then take a longer break. That's it, Ritik bhai. Thank you. कोई भी एक्सरसाइज अगर आपको हमारी समझ नहीं आती, आप कहते हैं गो टू आवर हाउ टू प्लेलिस्ट. 100 वीडियोस हैं, हर एक्सरसाइज सेपरेटली है. हाउ टू डू हाई नीज, हाउ टू डू कर्ल अप्स, हाउ टू डू लैटरल रेजेस. Just search that word and you will have the 4-5 minute की वीडियो that you can follow it on your own. इसके भी आपने 4 सेट लगाने हैं without a break. Now Ritik bhai, we're going to move on to your next exercise. हमने करने हैं 100 fire feet. Here you go. Faster. पंजों के ऊपर रहना है. High knees. Here you go. Come on. 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 100. Drop. Okay. Static squat. Becoming. That's it. Stay like that. 100 fire feet. 30 second static squat. मारा जी इधरों. What? No. Oh, here you go. बंदा 3D करता. Cameraman lazy. कोई नहीं. बंदा अपना set है. Go lower. Here you go. जितना बट नीचे जा सकते हैं, जितनी लेग नीचे जा सकते हैं, देखिए पैर पूरा नीचे है, देखिए हड्डी नहीं उठी, पंजा नहीं उठा, बैक इज स्ट्रेट. 30 सेकंड. खड़े हो जाइए दोबारा. लेट्स डू इट अगेन. 100 फायर फीट 30 सेकंड स्टैटिक स्क्वाट. 100 फायर फीट 30 सेकंड स्टैटिक स्क्वाट. 6 सेट नो ब्रेक. दैट्स इट. 6 सेट नो ब्रेक. उसके बाद जाके 1-1.5 मिनट की ब्रेक लें. एंड द ब्रेक इज देयर जस्ट टू ब्रिंग योर हार्ट रेट डाउन. जो आपको सांस चढ़ा हुआ है, जो मुड़का निकल रहा है, पसीना निकल रहा है, उसको पूंजे, पानी पिए. Now update your status on Facebook. Oh, just killed a workout today in the gym. Let's finish off. Beat the hell out of your body. Beat the shit out of your body with the last workout. Come on your elbows. 2 sets of 50 plank twist. You know, butt straight. Here you go. Nice and slow. So you twist side to side, side to side. Breathe. Engage your core. Engage your obliques. Engage your lower back. Your abdomen wall. Butt. Squeeze your butt. Squeeze your calves. Squeeze your shoulders. Traps. Triceps. Engage your full body. ऊपर से नीचे तक. High knees, squats, ladder raises. You have engaged your full body into this 50-minute workout. You can do it. 2 set, 50 repetition with 30-second breaks in between. That's about it. This is a 50-minute workout. This is a day 1 very advanced level workout. So do not just do this because आज आपने पहली बार वीडियो देखी हो, like okay, let's do it. We have hundreds of videos. Start with basic workouts, beginner workouts, and then eventually once you finish your beginner workout, then get into this kind of workout. YouTube पे हमें subscribe करना मत भूलें. My Bollywood Body. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. On Instagram at AsadFit. On Instagram at My Bollywood Body. Make sure to like this video. Show your support by posting a comment into a comment box. ਪੁੱਤ ਜੱਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ ਟਰੱਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੁੱਤ ਚਿਚੋਰ ਬਣਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੜਦਾ ਰਹੇ. ਬੂਮ